Oh, thank you very much. I think we have been here. We have come for, yesterday we had a meeting in Sagana State Lodge with the President, specifically on health, human resource, and more specifically on the nurses strike and the other related human resource issues. Today we have come here to Kirinyaga University to witness the official opening of the 6th Devolution Conference. There's been good exchange of experiences, and more specifically on the issue of the Big Four agenda. So we have visited the stands to see what others have to offer, and we are very impressed with the effect of devolution in the Kenyan landscape. Of course, we are doing our bit in Garissa, and comparing ourselves with the other people who are here and other counties. We are very satisfied that we are on the right track. We have also got inspiration here. We know that as County 007, we are developing and looking at the options or the possibility of hosting the 7th Devolution Conference. Of course, there's a lot which goes into hosting this, especially accommodation for the many visitors who come. We don't have any satellite town, so if we have to host them, it has to be only in Garissa town. But we are going to look at, to review our facilities, our capacities, and then see whether we can bid for the 7th Devolution Conference next year. So we are ready and set and participating in this conference, and very satisfied that compared to others, we are doing very well, and we will continue to put more effort in serving our people. Thank you very much.